if your credit is like literally stopping you, check out my ebook. I got stra- strategies in there that you can grow your business with. Honestly, my ebook is full of potential. Um, you would actually figure out where you can go. You would actually learn how I even went about doing everything. It shows you step by step of what I actually did. Now, I'm not finna sit up here and charge you monthly and tell you, oh, you gotta pay for this service every month to learn how to grow your business. No, I'm actually putting you in contact with the correct people, showing you how to reach out to these people and save money while doing so. If you have a budget, you know, maybe you have a few tasks that you only need to do to grow your business. You got to understand, every business is not the same, but every business has key similarities. All right, some businesses only require the website, you know, a way to bring in the traffic, marketing, and things like that. And other things like that you can pretty much have done on your own if you're, a stylist, salon or a barbershop, whatever, painter and things like that. Those are skills that you bring to the table. You understand? That's not anything that you're looking for someone to, you know, create a product for you or something like that. You may need, let's say, marketing, right? You may need someone to design the flyers so that you can get them printed out and save money, so you're not going to a print shop getting them designed and everything like that. You understand what I'm getting at? Yeah, you may need someone to build a website so that you can save money, so you're not going to other professionals who may be overcharging you beyond your budget. You understand? And knowing that your credit may be messed up, you can't get the funding from the banks, angel investors not working with you. Look, my ebook is going to show you everything to do. Now, what I'm telling you right now, it's only a limited amount that's going to be available to the general public. And this ebook has plenty of sophistication, much more benefits than what I'm telling you. You will be amazed by the value that this ebook is offering. And I appreciate all you all. Just check out that ebook. It's going to help you out a lot, especially if you're messed up with credit, dealing with credit repair and stuff like that. But you got to get your business going. Listen to me. I got the keys. My ebook. Thank you.